So what we're going to do now is the direct selection tool. The direct selection tool is kind of a bit more complicated. We should press shift on that. You can see we've got a path there. Now currently we're aligning to the artboard. So what if we wanted this point to be at the top and this anchor point to be at the bottom? What you could basically do is you could distribute the anchor points like that, right? So you distributed the anchor points so that this is equidistant from this point, and that's the same as the bottom one, right? Let's try it with this one. See what happens this time. You kind of get, it's kind of interesting. You get such an irregular answer. The problem is, you can see by this this result, right, is that it will work better on shapes which are, if you're doing a vertical distribution, you need all the corners to be at the same level, right? Yeah, so that won't really work. But obviously it would work better with something like with a square, right? So you can see you could make a parallelogram like that. Um, yeah, I think like you have to really consider like that actually is almost perfect perspective as well, isn't it? Which is kind of an interesting way to create this shape. If you look at the actually quite handy to make a diamond shape that. If you do it thinner, in fact, if that had a much lower stroke, that would look really good. I wonder if we do that. If we have just 2 points on it, right? And we go back and we select this point. Let's have a look at the vertical distribution now. Yeah, that's the only way you can get it to not do anything, right? Because they're already perfectly distributed. What if I've managed to break it by doing that? Not break it, but you know what I mean. Now, it's interesting that when you do align anchor points,